Kevin was standing here by 1265 Coney Island Avenue between I&J, Hecht, Judaica. The store is closing down. It was open for 65 years. Wow, 65 years the store was open, but now it's closing down and they need everything to go. The whole store is 50% off. Let's check it. Is 50% off. Let's check it out. Gaan we er maar aan doen. Ah, de Pshia. Shalom Aleichem, de Pshia. You gonna prendre?
Michael.
The Michael. The Pshia knows already. Wow, so like I said, 65 years you open already.
Yep, 65 years. My father opened this in 1961.
Wow.
Yeah.
1960, when he came every day from Crown Heights to the store.
He lived in Flatbush.
Oh, your father lived in Flatbush?
Yeah. He
Wow.
was the oldest Judaica store in Brooklyn.
Really?
Yeah.
The oldest Judaica store in Brooklyn?
Yeah. You couldn't buy a shmura matzah here in Flatbush. My father brought in shmura matzah.
Wow. Who made shmura matzah back then?
Shatza.
Shatza. So your father was the first Judaica store, and now you're moving on.
Moving on, opening probably a new location.
Nice.
We're working on it.
You're working on a new location
We're going to be online and wholesale and doing the stuff we always do. And the Yisroigim is staying here in Brooklyn.
The Yisroigim is staying here in the corner?
Here in Brooklyn.
Wow. But this store is shutting down, and you mentioned
The store will be used for different things. As a regular retail store is shutting down.
Wow, so everything is 50% off.
Could be from 25 to 90% off.
90% off, wow.
We'll also have some stuff for free.
Whoa, really?
Yeah, usually we put outside the table.
Stuff for free, and if you mention the Perlowitz show, you can take 2 for free.
Yes, for
We're
sure.
Jewish, we take 2 for free.
Yeah.
Okay, so show me around a little, and let's see the items over here. You're kidding me, a leather art scroll machzorim set is half off?
50% off.
Have it at 50% off. It's normally $400, now it's going to be $200.
All the leather art scroll. We have individual volumes. We have a whole cart here.
A whole cart of art scroll machzorim.
Machzorim on the bottom.
Have it at half off. 50% off. Books. Wow.
Books. Haggadahs.
Haggadah Shal Pesach.
Collector's item.
Wow.
This is Trieste Haggadah, famous Haggadah. I have here Moshe Feinstein, Psak Haluchas.
Wow.
$10.
Loose side matzah boxes.
Matzah boxes here.
Loose side matzah box.
$29.99.
She matzahs or
No,
shmur?
this is for shmura.
Oh, this is shmura.
Yeah, it's a square, but it's.
But it's shmura matzahs.
Kosher Leliyos.
Kosher Leliyos.
$29.99.
Wow. Everything's half off. Who remembers these kaplach? When we were kids, we used to have these designs, yarmulkes. Wow, I still remember, I think I had a choo-choo tray
We have a lot of
yarmulke.
items here that are collector's items.
Collector's items.
Real,
So guys who...
real collector's
Yeah?
items. Yeah.
I mean,
they're worth money.
Really?
Yeah. Challah boards, 50% off.
Challah boards, 50% off. Unreal. Everything's 50% off over here.
Menorahs,
Look at these menorahs.
50% off.
Look at these menorahs, Chavra. Who remembers these menorahs? This is real Fatzaitish menorahs. 50% off.
Here, look at this. I have a super special. Ashkenazi Haggadah. It's a $100 Haggadah for $10.
Wow.
This is a collector's item. This is an art Haggadah.
Wow, looks gorgeous.
Famous Haggadah. We have
So
a
it's
whole
half
table
off.
here
Whole
with
table of Haggadahs,
Haggadahs.
Chavra. Half
Matzah
off.
covers.
Matzah taschen.
Matzah taschen. All different kinds. Avikoimen bags.
The Koiman bags.
Towels. Or chatz towels.
Everything's basically the ganze store is Sterling Silver over there.
Sterling silver, 40%
Is
off.
that a kosher Lelio cups you have there?
Kosher Leliyos, 50% off.
Kosher Lelio is 50% off. Chavra, gorgeous Orchatz cups, 50% off.
If you have anybody, a Svardi,
As far as the
Torah, it's half price.
Look at that menorah over there, Chavra. You can already prepare for Hanukkah, half off on the menorahs.
All the machzorim give you.
Unreal.
We have all different kinds.
Okay, so this is all the Gabi de Judaica. What's with the Gabi de Svarim? You have
Svarim, we
on
have
the
a
corner.
whole room in the corner, which will be open till Pesach.
Okay, how much is that? That's also
That's for $1 to $5.
$1 to $5
All
on the
brand new
Svarim.
Svarim.
Brand new Svarim. Nothing
Brand new,
used.
Nothing used. There might be a few.
I'm gonna go
used
check
on the
that out.
side,
I'm gonna go check it out.
but most of them are brand new.
Chavra, this is a Metzia. This is gonna be till Pesach, Emet Hashem.
We still have-
Chapzarein.
We still have tzitzis and yarmulkes, and
Really?
we're still taking orders from people, not at 50% off, but at very good, very good.
And the Eisenberg, a nice picture of Yosef, the Rebbe Rayatz.
That's a painting, by the way.
That's a real painting?
That's a painting, a copy of a jikale of a painting from Saul Josephevich.
Look at the Rebbe's look. Look at the stare. Those eyes could burn you.
It's unbelievable. This is a real painting. Wow. It's not a picture.
It's a real painting. That's also a real painting of the Rebbe, right?
That's a painting, yeah.
Wow. Shia, the oil's going to come over. Sorry for the Judaica. Sorry for the Svarim.
And we have new items coming out of the warehouse daily.
Really?
65 years of merchandise.
65
Besides
years
all
of
the new
merchandise.
stuff that come out.
All right.
We even have the new Rabbi Blumenkrantz's
The
book.
new Rabbi Blumenkrantz book is over there. Check it. Wow, look at this Ner Talmud over here.
It's all handmade in Morocco.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Ner Talmud. You have stuff that nobody has.
Nope.
Half off.
Very unique and
Very
unique
unique.
items.
All right, the Olim's going to come check in, and the Olim's going to buy him. It's a Shem B'Siyat D'Shmaya. The store has to be empty by Pesach. We're doing a major bedika over here. So look at these books. Books, beautiful comic books.
Keep going.
Look at these books. Come on.
A kara, $5. Metal.
Let me see. Hold that kara. Kick me shine to the halt is
Metal
done.
kara, you can even hang it up.
Wow.
This is a real collector's item.
All right.
$5.
Check in, Kevin. Machia says so on my status. Now it's my lechting and final and Pesach.
Remember, Hashem loves me.
Oh, Hashem loves me. Always remember that. Kevin, let's just check in over here by the Svarim room, where all the Svarim are $1 to $5. Everything is $1 to $5. A whole room full of Svarim, brand new Svarim. Kevin, you get an art scroll chumash for $1. This is beyond. Whole room full of Svarim, brand new Svarim, $1 to $5 a piece. Kevin, check it on by Hecht Judaica. Avenue I, corner, Coney Island Avenue. This is really, really, really special.